waterfalls. There's signs up everywhere saying the track's closed, but there's people everywhere still walking around. So I've just walked past the sign and I'm just going to see what it's like. Obviously there's going to be trees down after the cyclone and stuff, but it's a cracker of a day. Like, I can't miss this opportunity. It's so good. I've come all this way just to get some footage, and I can see the waterfalls in the distance. They're actually not that raging as what I thought. I'll upload some footage in a minute and show you guys, but yeah, it's pretty good. Probably one of the worst things that I'm finding is as I'm walking along the path, there's so many sticks, you don't sort of, like, you couldn't really tell if there was a snake or not. So I'm just being really careful with where I'm treading right now, and yeah, hopefully I don't get any surprise visitors. So I'm starting the descent down into the valley now. I've walked along the ridge and now I'm making a descent down into the jungle, into the valley. This is where the real adventure is going to start. There's lots of mozzies around. It's quite annoying, but it's alright. I'm still going alright. The sun's still shining. There was a couple of people behind me following, but they've stopped to take photos or something. So I'm just going to continue down here. Well, the track's not that bad. Like, really, it's not that bad at all. But yeah, like I said, I'm just making the descension. Is that a word? Whatever. But yeah, I'm descending now down into the valley. I can hear the roar of the waterfall behind me, Purlingbrook Falls. Pretty exciting. I'm probably going to try and have a bit of a swim down there, cool off. It's quite humid, but there is like it's pretty nice temperature, and the smell of all like the broken leaves and sticks and stuff, like, it's got a real thick foresty sort of smell, which is really nice. Yeah, I'm enjoying that, and just keeping a lookout on the ground where I'm walking. But yeah, other than that, so far so good. So I'm right down in the valley now. Like, I'm probably, I don't know, maybe close to 60 or 70 meters below the surface of the car park, maybe more, not sure. I'm right down in the valley now. Like, I'm getting, like, the air temperature's getting colder. I can hear the waterfall in the distance. There's been a couple of trees I've had to navigate, but that's all good. But so far so good. We're coming up to the first set of falls now. This is sort of like the pre-falls. Look at that. was just testing out the DJI Action Cam 4's underwater capabilities. Seems to have gone alright, nothing's happened. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that bit of footage. We're almost there at the big falls now. I've got probably like another maybe 100 meters to go, maybe a little bit more. So yeah, it's bloody cracker of a day. Like, honestly, I could be sunbaking right now, but it's a really nice temperature. And yeah, I'm really glad that I came on this little adventure. It's been solid. So I've made it. I made it here. I'm at the bottom of the waterfall. It's absolutely crazy. It's so awesome. Just the power, the force of nature is just like bashing down on the rocks behind me, and like the force of the water is just causing this wind. It's just like being in a storm. It's like crazy, but you know what, it's so exciting. Like, I'm just so pumped with adrenaline right now, and I kind of really love that feeling that I've been on a real adventure. You know, I've done something a bit risky, and I've just really like lived my best life, and this is like nuts. Have a look at that behind me. That's just crazy. I'm just loving this stuff. Okay, so I'm going to get game, and I'm going down a bit closer to the bottom of the falls, and there's a bridge over behind me I'm going to try and walk over onto. It looks pretty slippery here, so if the camera goes crazy, you'll know why. I've slipped ass over, but I'm going to try and be really careful. This is insane. This is awesome. And I'm literally like the only person here. Like, no one came in behind me. I think everyone stopped and turned around. That's alright. All the adventure for me. I was even considering stripping off and jumping in, but I don't know, it's a bit wild and woolly. And I think that I could get swept down into a rock. That'd be pretty embarrassing. They had to come down looking for my naked ass at the bottom of the waterfall. This is awesome shit. I love this. Check this out. Insanely awesome. This is just so freaking cool. I love it. Look at that power behind me. Look at that waterfall. It's just crazy. I'm standing on this bridge and the wind's just gushing out behind me. It's just insane. The only person here. The only person for miles. Woo! Look at that wind gust. That haze you can see, it's not the lens, it's actually the water. There's the waterfall after the cyclone. So I've just ventured down another side track which was also closed, but this one's actually quite good. Like, we're right in the gully now. We're walking along the like the bottom of the waterfall right now on a track. You can probably see behind me, it's just like a normal track. And this takes you to like, there's like some pools of water with some rocks and stuff. It does look a little bit hairy down here. There's a whole heap of palm fronds over the track, but we're just going to persevere because like it's really awesome, and I'd love to show you guys what it all looks like. And so yeah, I'm just going to keep persevering and see how we go. So now it's been like almost an hour and a bit walking. Yeah, it's really good. I'm starting to get a bit hungry, a bit thirsty. That's all good. I've got lunch waiting for me in the car. And yeah, it's been an awesome adventure. I'm soaking wet right now, I can tell you that much for sure. I feel like I've just walked through a shower of rain. Track's starting to get a bit hairy now. There's quite a lot of trees down in the way, bushes I've got to walk through. And I was actually considering turning back for a moment. But where's the fun in that? Where's the sense of adventure in that? Whoop. I've just got to be trying to be really super careful. Oh, hey, buddy. Whoa. God, I hate those big spiders. He was like as big as my hand and was like right next to me. Woo! Crikey. Uh-oh, could this be the end of the track? Oh no, that's not looking good. Oh shit. Don't think I'm getting through that one. It's on the other side of it. I think I've reached the end of the track for me. I've hit a pretty much hit a dead end. Whew. And I don't really feel like crawling through those bushes because I don't know what's in there. Yeah, and unfortunately, like I'm almost at the bottom where the waterfall pools are. And yeah, this is it. I'm sorry, but I think this is the end of the track. Bugger. You can see that spider there. That's the guy that tried to hijack me. And he's right in my bloody way. I don't know how to get around him. Maybe I might just like... Oi. Where'd he go? Well, I just tried to move that big spider and he fell somewhere. I don't know where it went, but I'm out of here. I'm just going to keep on walking, and if I feel something crawling down my neck, I'm going to start screaming. Love it. Look at this big tall tree, isn't it? Magnificent. Absolutely magnificent. And check this guy. Look at his roots. I'd say that's one of those, is it a ficus tree? A fig tree? That's just awesome. That's probably older than you and me put together 10 times. And that was the end of the track, I'm afraid. Well, I haven't turned around just yet. I'm still standing here where the track's closed, but I've just found, I don't know if I should do it or not, but there's a track. Well, it's not a track, it's just bush that goes down there, and I think it's going to take me back onto the path, but I'm a bit worried because I don't know where it's going to go, if I'm going to get lost, or what's on the ground, what's going to jump out and bite me. But all I know is that I can hear the water, and if I can hear the water, I know where I am. And what do you reckon? Mozzies. Oh no, the first leech. The first leech has got me. Woo! I just felt him sucking on me. So yeah, what do you think? Should I go down this trail? Let's have a look. So I'm going to give it a crack, but I don't know if I can do it holding the camera. So I'm going to put the camera in my backpack and I'm going to climb down the side of this rocky mountain and see if it takes me back onto the track. So I'll check in about 5 minutes when I get to the bottom again. Could be good, it could be really, really bad. I don't know, but we're going to try it because I'm up for adventure, and if this is not living your best life, then I don't know what is. Okay, so I've got the camera down the front of my pants right now. You can see this is insane. It's nuts. I'm just holding onto the trees as I'm going down. I can see the path in the distance. I'm not sure if it is or not, but I can see a track. I see some sort of a trail. Hopefully it's not the track of... Whoa! Easy. Easy, tiger. Yep. I can see the track at the bottom now. I just got to get there. And I've also got to leave something there to mark where I've gone up. Otherwise I'm going to get lost. I'm going to have to put the cam back on me now. So yeah, I've made it down the side of this mountain now. Mozzies. More spiders. Just no snakes. Yep, we're good. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this, eh? This is nuts. This is so freaking crazy. Oh no, it's that bloody spiky bush again. Oh. Holy shit, what a bloody adventure that was. 2 minutes later. It's okay, I'm alright, I've just taken a slip. Okay, we're good. Whew. Okay, compose, I'm alright. Bit bruised and battered there, but it's all good. I'm back on the trail. Well, I need to... Okay, so that palm leaf there marks where I was. I'm going to leave my hat here so I know. So I know that's where I came back. So you have to forgive my messy hair for a moment. That's gonna hurt later. Oh, bloody spiders. Where did you go? Oh. Anyway, oh, I can feel its cobweb all over my face. Oh, shit. Whew. I can hear the roar of the water now. Oh yeah, got a bit of bark off. I'll be right. Actually, you know what? That freaking hurt my shoulder, hey? Ah. So I'm here like at the, I don't know, it's kind of like the halfway point. to the pools down the bottom. I don't know what this bridge is like. See how I go. Yep, that's good. And oh, there's another spider, a lizard. Excuse me. So we're almost at these pools at the bottom of the track. Probably like another 100 meters to go, and I'm there. It's really been an adventure. Oh, in a bit of a pain actually. That's all right. All part of the adventure. And haven't got any leeches, which is good. But yeah, I am sort of like conscious that I am in the middle of nowhere now. Like I'm about probably 3 kilometers from 3 kilometers off the beaten track. I've got to navigate this now. I think I might walk down the creek bed. Time to get the shoes wet. Oh, that water's fresh. Oh my god. It's actually quite nice. Spiky bush again. Okay, we made it. Navigating another hurdle. Gotta laugh if I got down here and there was like people down here. But I doubt it very much. Very, very much doubt it. So I'm keen to jump in the water for a quick ice skip. Yeah, done alright. We're almost there. And these pools, I've been here before, like they're really, really awesome. They're such an amazing swimming hole. Alright, I'll check back in shortly. Crikey, I hate to have that bugger crawling up the side of your leg. Whew. They've got razor sharp claws, as Steve Irwin would say. A few more trees that have fallen down here. Look at this big bugger. He's taken a big fall in the cyclone. But there's a nice little gap there in the path to get through. So I'm going to climb on through there. Here we go. Just hope there's no spiders. And none of that prickly bush. Go through this vine here. Yeah. Hope you guys are getting entertained. This is like a freaking adventure, eh? In a heartbeat. Cut it out. Well, yeah, I can see the end of the track's near. A bit more foliage there to get through. Spiky. No, we're good. Yeah, I'm really hoping that my hat's going to be back there on the rock when I get back, because I'll be freaking screwed if it's not. That's for sure. Ooh, I'm going to take a shortcut in the path, as you do. Getting so much closer now. I think I'm at the bottom end of the trail. Yeah, I can see the pools just down here. Awesome, we made it. Woo. Level 2 unlocked. Oh, I can't wait to jump in the water, it's going to be so amazing. Wow, look at this. This is what I came for. Nature at its finest. Look at this. Woo. This is what we're here for. This is worth the whole trip. Let's have a look at that water. So I'm going to head back now, start making my way back up the mountain. Yeah, it's been awesome. I had a swim. I just went to put my shoes on and there was this massive leech inside my shoe, like just waiting for me, like it was huge. But yeah, it's been awesome. It's been an adventure. Now I'm going to make my way back. And yeah, I'll check in when I'm at the top. Wish me luck.